guys, so many of you are asking for a home tour. I will begin with the smallest room because it's the simplest. This is a kid's bedroom, right? Alright, so this is the kid's bedroom. Let's begin with the bed. So here, Daryl sleeps on top, Charlotte sleeps below. I have this like a frame thing so that he doesn't topple over. Then on the wall, we have this custom world map, wallpaper, which many of you are asking me about. We love it, the kids love it, because we have geography lessons every night, and because Daryl is very keen to learn about the maps and the countries, so we use it to learn the different like capital of each country. Okay, over here we have books, so there are no toys in this bedroom because I don't want them to be distracted as they sleep. So I have these ledgers from IKEA to put the front-facing books. Then I have 4 baskets here to put the rest of the books that they can easily access. The other side of the room is this custom carpentry. So I have it all the way up to maximize the storage. I won't be opening every single door, but generally I wanted to highlight that we want to put things as low as possible. So for the dresses, I'll pick for Charlotte, but for their swimming stuff and their bags, they can access it on their own because it's at the bottom. Then over here, we have 4 drawers. I dedicate the second one for Daryl, the one at the bottom for Charlotte. Alright, we fold their clothes this way so that they can access it on their own, and the diapers and the underwear and their pajamas. Okay. At this corner, there's a little height chart and a beautiful poster by Pris. And I bought these are just spice racks from IKEA. So I use them to put some pictures, and I hang like knots so that they can hang their clothes and their bags. So if you notice that this room has no toys, right? It's intentional because I don't want them to play with their toys when it's time to sleep.